Hello Internet and welcome to a new installment of how to program in C Sharp. Today we will be doing the exact same thing as we did last time, except now we will be doing it in Notepad. So all of you open up Notepad. So Notepad is should be installed in every single um, Windows operating system. So no extra download is required. In fact, I should have made this my first video. So before we do anything, I need you to listen to this. You have to, and I have to stress this, you have to do exactly as what I am doing. Okay? Exactly. Punctuation matters. The only thing that really doesn't matter is the spacing. Now, this is how you started off. We're basically just writing the code that was in Virtual Studio. No, Studio, sorry, not virtual. Um, and so this would be what you would save your thing as, but don't save it right now, okay? Uh, just keep on doing this, keep on coding. So, notice the use of opening and later on closing set brackets. Uh, last episode I mistakenly called this bracket a curly brace, but it's actually a parentheses just to clear things. Um, so just keep on working. Now, I'm just gonna write hello world here. We're not gonna do any fancy things because this is actually the easy part. Oops. And so now we have a program. Very pretty. So all we need to do now is file, save, but save as, and save as all files. Oh yes, before you do this, cancel save. I forgot to mention this. You have to open up File Explorer. There you go. Go to your local disk right now. Let's see. New folder. So new folder. Name it Hello no World. I don't believe you need spaces for this, and close it. Now you go File, Save As. Go to your local disk, and where is it? Hello World. Here it is. Save it here, but remember all files. Click here and call it Hello World. It must, and I repeat this, must be exactly the same as this one here. So Hello World dot CS. CS stands for I believe it stands for C Sharp. It just tells us that Hello World, the document here, is supposed to be coded in C Sharp. So just save that and let's go into that folder. Now, if you all, well, this actually does require Visual Studio to be installed. or at least a C# compiler. Now you can see that C#, it recognizes it. So now what you have to do is open up command prompt here. I already have one running, and you have to run it as administrator. So what you do is, now just give me a minute here. I just need to turn on the light in the room I'm in. Thank you. Okay. Okay, so thank you for waiting, and now do CD 2 periods. That brings us from System32 to Windows. We want to be here at Windows. Then we go CD Microsoft.net. Notice how the .net is all capital. This would bring us to the .net framework. I'm sorry if my audio was a little quiet now. If it's not, then well, yeah. Let's see, Microsoft.net. Hit enter. Now, as you can see, we're in the Microsoft.net area, and then CD framework. Okay, now we're in the .NET framework. Now all we have to write is dir. And make sure you select, and then at the bottom of here, make sure you select this one, the most, the number which is highest. It might not be v4.0.30319, but just go with the highest number. So, now I am going to write CD v4.0.30319. That brings us to the Microsoft.NET framework version 4. Blah blah blah. So now this one is the longest amount of code you're going to write in here. Okay, write CSC, sorry. Space T colon exe. See, what was it? Now that is the folder that you saved this one in. Just to oh. Now, if you want to pause the video, just feel free. What was it? You know what? For the sake of clarity, I'm going to full screen this. Not very big though. Then this again is the folder that you saved it in. This is what we are going to send out in a way. And this is what we are using to send out. Let's see. Now, this should work. Yes, it is compiling. If it does not work, make sure everything is exactly the same. Rewind if you want. And now you can exit this. Go back into the File Explorer. And as you can see, now there is a new application here. You double click it and something went wrong. I wonder what that is. Let's go back and check on no, don't click it. Go back. Let's open it with Notepad and see what we did wrong. Oh, right. It's supposed to be read line. Um, Now I'll just pause the video, and well, not uh, I'll just pause it and get back to you when I fix this problem. I believe I have fixed the problem. Nope, I have not. Alright, and if you made the same problem, well, if you followed my mistake, yeah, I can't talk, and I do not know these, anyways, all you have to do is push the arrow key, and then it'll automatically type it out for you. It'll type whatever you typed in last, so that's always nice. So there, we fixed it. Yes, we have, and now you can see it displays hello world. Now, here's a quick extra little tidbit. The reason when it was write line instead of read line, the reason it opened and then suddenly closed was because write line, all it does is paste that text there. Read line, in other ways, pastes, well, nothing, as we haven't put anything in here, and it basically keeps the thing there. So as if we run it again, you can see hello world is on that line, and then we have a separate line right here. Now, as you can see, this is very difficult unless you have memorized the path and have completely perfected C#, or have just made a really small application. So it's very not recommended. In reality though, you won't really have to worry about this much, because you have Visual Studio here to help you. Visual Studio takes care of a lot of things. So yeah. Thank you for watching, and if you liked, be sure to subscribe, and yeah, see you next time. TechViews out.